Your continued support of the Coin Stories channel is much appreciated. Our price dropped with Bitcoin and is currently hovering around 58 cents. I keep hearing people lamenting their XRP losses, despite the fact that we're still up just under 60% on the one-year chart. However, selling is the only option to incur a loss. Think about how XRP's price was below 40 cents a year ago. After that, XRP's traction will be the next thing anyone can foretell. The majority of them will be asking for $1 by the end of March. Yet, at $69,000, the price of Bitcoin also reached a new all-time high today. Envision yourself as a novice crypto investor who spends $68,000 on Bitcoin, sees it to a new record high, and then sees it crash. The second option is to sit on your hands until XRP reaches its next all-time high, which is an inevitable occurrence. We will all look back and regret not buying more XRP at some point. I mean, seriously, I was hoping XRP would be around 50 cents. Today, I was planning to purchase additional XRP, patiently wait for XRP to hit $50 or perhaps three figures. I wish I could go back in time and buy more XRP when it was languishing at 58 cents, but no one would dare say that. Even while some XRP investors may feel remorse for selling too soon, everyone will feel the effects of that regret in the long run. Thus, a new crypto-based system is introduced by Brics. After the new system incorporates ISO 222, trading volumes and widespread use of ISO-recognized cryptocurrencies will skyrocket. These links will be used to utilize cryptocurrencies like XRP and others, such XLM XDC, that no one else will tell you about. In my opinion, Brics will use XDC for all of their future digital trade operations. I also think it will achieve tremendous things after leaving DC for the same reasons, but XRP will definitely find its way into their operations. The internal linkages and ripples caused by Brics are already known to you. A lot of Brics countries are already using XRP, and everything is set up for blockchain adoption to be universal. For instance, Russia is perfectly on track, and Travelex Bank in Brazil is a Ripple OTL partner. All of the major Brics countries have integrated Ripple into their payment systems. When it comes to Russia, I think they've been working with Ripple behind the scenes for a while. I put the start of it in 2015 or 2016, and I even think Ripple was responsible for Russia's acceleration in 2022. India, without a doubt. The bank and FIS, there are a lot of interesting landmarks to observe, such the train lighting termini in China, the First Strand and Standard Bank in South Africa, and the new BRIC countries. Also, there are payment rails set up by Ripple there. No one disputes the fact that all the connections have evolved through time. Those who weren't immediately affected by ripples were certainly involved in some way. They will never put RIP to use. DeMoney is a Ripple user who has linked up with WeChat and Alipay, two Chinese remittance sites. DeMoney will likely use RippleNet and XRP for Chinese remittances as well. This is not definitive proof of XRP or Ripple USD, but it is worth watching because they utilize a number of services, such Visa Direct. That is, unless they are now making use of it. Moving ahead, it will definitely be used. Yet, are you seriously believing that they will engage a US firm? You know, people commonly think like this. Not in my opinion. Their aim is the United States. That being the case, XRP will not serve their needs. It is evident that you lack knowledge in this area, as compared to Ripple, which is on pace with Meta, Amazon, Google, and Apple. The US government is dwarfed with respect to issues having an international impact. As I indicated earlier, Ripple is a global enterprise. Nobody wants to admit it. But the Brics aren't the only ones interested in RippleNet. The Brics aren't keen with Swift either, so they're looking for a replacement and want to know which one is better. XRP and on-demand liquidity, the secret sauce, will be included with their purchase if they do. At some point, it will occur, with the system ready to go live. XRP's value will skyrocket to levels we never thought possible, all because the International Monetary Fund chose it. In addition, next year the US and Brics nations will use the ideal stablecoin, which would cost several $1,000s to pay for international trade. Despite the 5 primary concerns raised by those who are opposed to big banks and other large organizations using XRP, Ripple is rapidly expanding its network of partnerships to enable XRP-based international payments and transactions. As XRP is used in the real world, its compelling use case and higher potential value become apparent. From a purely pragmatic perspective, this means that some cryptocurrencies will continue to exist in circulation after regulations are put in place. If your cryptocurrency has no real-world use, it will fail to pass the next round of regulations. Additionally, regulations will be put in place for cryptocurrencies globally. On Ethereum, it's faster, cheaper, and less polluting than Bitcoin. Buying and selling XRP on Ethereum is far more efficient and affordable than Bitcoin. The XRP ledger is more environmentally friendly than Bitcoin and Ethereum because it requires less energy to mine. Furthermore, you need to think about how the world's stories are playing out right now. Climate change is the subject here. Additionally, XRP satisfies the requirements for being eco-friendly. That is why a lot of countries will decide to use it. Rather than a security, it is a condition of law. Legal assurance is brought to us by XRP, the only digital asset of its kind, thanks to its public declaration that it is not a security. With this information in hand, token users and investors can relax. From a legal clarity standpoint, I don't think we've really benefited from it yet. It will still take place. Just when we were getting our hopes up after the legislation clarified a bit, XRP fell again. This is because, as of right now, we are still not fully free from the SEC, which implies that Ripple is also not either. To top it all off, most American banks and corporations would want to stay far away from the SEC. But once Ripple has such clear information, the settlement will happen. Your complaints regarding the SEC will be resolved. We can help you right away. After realizing the digital currency potential of XRP for usage by central banks, American institutions and corporations are joining on the Ripple bandwagon. Ripple is working on private ledgers to address the issue of S-currency, which is digital money issued by central banks. I am not currently into CBDCs. Institutional investors will arrive regardless of how retail investors feel about them. Therefore, we need to start acting more like them. Since everyone is in such a hurry to join the digital age, we need to adopt the mindset of the world's central banks. Digital currencies and transactions are their preferred methods of doing business. Priorities include affordability, safety, and speed. Hence, XRP and RippleNet should be their first choices. As a trust layer, XRP is necessary alongside CBDCs. Regardless of your point of view, our position as XRP holders is good. Plus, there's this tedious commute. As a result, the XRP community is well informed and committed to the success of the asset. They are lovingly termed the XRP Army. Over the years, I've seen a lot of forecasts made by people, and I can tell you that the XRP community is unlike any other in the cryptocurrency market. You know, this XRP community taught me a lot as I went along. Meanwhile, the stories appear to pop up again and again whenever XRP does anything, no matter how little. That is the key reason why many are clinging to this coin. Things like, what if XRP really reaches $10,000? And similar what if scenarios are covered. If the stress level is 589, will it be soon? The desire to own XRP is universal. Its absence is equally despised. Put another way, nobody knows what XRP is capable of. Yes, all prior discussions regarding pricing points should be re-evaluated in light of the fact that the value changes as a result of tokenization custody carbon credits. Do you recall our previous discussion of 589? All it was Ripple poaching Swift's customers. The XRP ledger should have all of the many additional features that could increase its value. It is my firm belief that the XRP ledger will soon see the tokenization of Bitcoin. In addition, Ripple partner Tranquilo wants to know if XRP will reach $1 and references a graphic from Dark Defender that shows it might have happened as recently as March. Like I said before, a lot of people think it will be in March. Regardless, it's funny that Tranquilo is trying to predict when XRP will reach $1. Each and every detail is ready for it. It is imminent, and every Ripple's partner knows it. New all-time highs will be witnessed in 2024. In my opinion. At the same time, We will watch how regulations alter the Bitcoin market. According to some, it will be quite a while before then. You need just patiently await the inevitable. They will be ensnared by a malevolent coin. However, as an XRP investor, I believe it operates in this way. An all-new peak has not yet materialized. The value of Bitcoin has lately surpassed all previous records. Did something reach a new height this year? Is the thought of investing in it attractive to you? Or would you want to invest in something that will achieve a new peak this year? It is for this reason that I favor XRP. This is why I am still bullish on XRP. But till then, keep a positive attitude, and let's accumulate wealth together. With that out of the way, I'll be cutting this video short. It would mean the world to me if you could hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Gracias por todo. Depart.